Hi everyone, I thought I'd put another tube on. This is AU5 or a VU111, also known as a CV1111. It's a half-wave rectifier. It's quite a high power one as well. If we look inside, you can see the plate or the anode on the outside, and inside is the actual heater. It's difficult to see, it's cluttered with so many other bits and bobs. You can just see the heater there, the six leads there. They're zigzagged inside there. One end terminates on that ceramic piece going across, and the other end's there. It's one continuous heater wire, probably thoriated, so it gives better emission. It terminates, I'll show you, there's just the two wires are connected. They're the heater wires. The two sets, the pair of wires going to the pins are the heater. They're the pins. I think they're possibly between those two that I've got my finger on. They're normally the heater pins, I believe, on this, on the B4 type base. It's the old British 4-pin, and sometimes they had a middle pin, so it became a 5-pin. Anyhow, the anode is connected to the top cap. We'll see the lead going down there. There we are, get it on better view of that. There's the top cap, the lead connects through, goes down and joins onto the anode. And the idea of this is the heater is made to get hot, in fact glow red, and one side is connected to the heater as well. Apart from the heater, you would feed in AC. No, it's only half wave, so you'd push in a sine wave of AC and it would amplify it as a half wave. The full wave would have had two sets of anodes within the same envelope, and the rectification is done between the heater and the anode, and you take DC or half wave DC from the cap on the top. Anyway, a bit more information. A pair of these valves could be used to feed a transmitter, quite a high power. They were 125 watt, which is fairly high for this size valve. The actual diameter at this point here was about 52 millimeters, and the total length, or the length excluding the base or the cap, is 125 millimeters. It is a B4 pin base. You know, it's interesting to note that the first valve which was ever made in England by Mr. Fleming, it was based on the Edison effect. This is the effect of a space charge and electrons passing through a vacuum. Edison never took it up. He didn't realise how valuable it was, but it was a Fleming in England who made the first valve, which in fact was the rectifying valve. Later, Lee Forrest in America included a control grid and produced the other triode, and that was how valves started. Anyhow, I thought I'd put that in. This was another valve that I picked up today at my favourite boot sale. That broad arrow is a British government sign. There's another number down there. Whether that was one of the numbers or not, I don't know. But the CV number, which is not actually on this, was the sort of government designation, and was used after about the 1940s, I believe. They did use other numbers within different departments, but they were mainly military. Anyhow, any questions, I'll try and get back to you. This valve was possibly made by the MO valve company, the Marconi Osram, which has got like this typical base where it narrowed down. I mentioned this on one of the other tubes I put up. Anyhow, once again, thanks for looking. Any questions, I will try and get back to you. Well, I will get back to you, but whether I shall know the answer or not remains to be seen. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and yeah, thanks. Thank you.